This video is going to teach you an easy version of the riff from Uptown Funk by Mark Ronson. Here's the easy version of the riff from Uptown Funk. Let's have a go at learning that together. First of all, let's start by finding C position. Find the two black notes in the middle of your piano and then put your thumb on C, which is the white note to the left. Then you can use your other fingers to place on the white notes next door. So now we should have finger 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's start from the beginning. We're going to start by playing finger 2. We're going to play it again. Then we're going to go up to finger 5. Then down to finger 4, down to finger 2, back up to 5, 4 again, and finally 2. If we put all of this together, it should sound like this. Let's try that together and I'll count you in. After 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2,